Assalamu alaikum, this is Qasim Al-Said from Al-Math Schools. Today we will talk about part 3 from lesson 5 algebraic expressions. Objectives. At the end of this video you will be able to expand a polynomial using the remarkable identities a plus b squared, a minus b squared. Materials. Before we start, please prepare a paper, a pencil, a calculator and your textbook. Expanded form of a polynomial. Definition: a polynomial is expanded if no variable appears within parentheses and all like terms have been combined. To expand a polynomial, multiply its factors, then reduce all like terms. Example: expand the following polynomial: x plus 1 times x minus 5 minus 2x minus 3. First, we will start by multiplying the first two polynomials, x plus 1 times x minus 5. We will multiply every term of the first with every term of the second. We will get the following. For the second part, negative sign is outside, so we will change the sign of every term inside. We will get x squared minus 5x plus x minus 5 minus 2x plus 3. Now we will reduce and add or subtract similar monomials. We will get x squared minus 6x minus 2. The final answer has no parentheses. This form is called the expanded form. Remarkable identities. Expand using algebraic identity a plus b squared. Activity: consider the yellow square of side A. The two blue rectangles of dimensions a and b. Of course, we mean length and width by the word dimension. The pink square of side B. Consider the whole red square of side A plus B. Remember that the area of a square is equal to the side squared, side times side, and the area of rectangle is equal to length times width. Complete the following. Please pause the video and try to do it by yourself. The area of the yellow squared is equal to a squared because the area of a square is equal to side squared. The area of each blue rectangle is equal to a times b, length times width. The area of the pink squared is equal to b squared since it is equal to side squared. The area of the whole figure is equal to the sum of these four areas. Area of figure 1 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a2 plus a3. Of course, we repeated a2 twice because we have two rectangles having the same dimensions. We get a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. ab plus ab can be added since they are similar, so we get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Area of figure 2 is equal to side squared since figure 2 is a squared. So it is equal to a plus b times a plus b, which is equal to a plus b squared. Since the two figures, figure 1 and figure 2, have the same area, this means that a plus b squared, area of the figure 2, is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Expand using identity a plus b squared. The first remarkable identity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, where the left side is a perfect square and the right side is a trinomial. Example: expand the square of a sum by using remarkable identity a plus b squared. 1. Here we have the expression x plus 2 squared. It is a sum of a square. The left side is a perfect square. So we can apply the first remarkable identity. where x is a and 2 is b. The answer must be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here, x squared is a squared plus 2ab is 2 times x times 2. X represents a and 2 represents b, plus 2 squared like b squared. Step 2, we just reduce to get x squared plus 4x plus 4. 2y plus 3z squared. Here, a is 2y and b is 3z. Apply the same. We get a squared 2y squared plus 2ab 2y times 3z plus 3z squared. The final answer is 4y squared, since squared is distributed to 2 and 2y, plus 12yz, 2 times 2 4 times 3 12 times y times z plus 9z squared. Application. Expand using remarkable identities. Please pause the video and do it by yourself on a draft paper. Solution. X plus y squared. We do it using first remarkable identity. X represents a and y represents b to get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. 3a plus 5 squared. 3a represents a and 5 represents b. We get the following: a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The answer is 9a squared plus 30a plus 25. Expand using remarkable identity a minus b squared. Activity. Let us expand a minus b squared. Pause the video and try to expand it by yourself. Since we know that a squared is equals to a times a, so a minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a minus b. A squares means that a number is multiplied by itself. We do the multiplication process as we learned before. A times a, then a times b, then negative b times a, then negative b times negative b. So we get the following expression: a squared minus ab plus b squared. We already know that a times b is equal to b times a, and we also always prefer to arrange a monomial in alphabetical order. Here we have two similar monomials, so we add. They have the same sign. We add and put the negative sign. The answer is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is a trinomial. As a conclusion, a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Expand by using algebraic identity a minus b squared. The second remarkable identity has its left side a perfect square and its right side a trinomial. Example. Expand the square of difference by using remarkable identity a minus b squared. 1. 2x minus 1 squared. This expression is a perfect square which has a negative sign, so we can apply the second remarkable identity where 2x represents a and 1 represents b. So the answer will be 2x squared, which is a squared, minus 2 times 2x times 1, which is equivalent to 2ab, plus 1 squared, which is equivalent to b squared. Second step, we reduce to get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. 5 minus 2x squared. Here we have a square of difference also, where 5 is equivalent to a and 2x is equivalent to b. So we apply second remarkable identity and we get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is here 5 squared minus 2 times 5 times 2x plus 2x squared. The answer is 25 minus 20x plus 4x squared. Application: expand by using remarkable identity. Please pause the video and try it by yourself on a draft paper. After you finish, please check your answers. Here is the solution. Y minus 6 squared, we apply a minus b squared, so we get y squared minus 12y plus 36. For x minus 7 squared, we apply a minus b squared to get 16x squared minus 56x plus 49. Assignment: please review from the textbook the following page. Homework: from the textbook, please do the following exercises. Summary: please read this summary carefully. Thank you very much.